Hello, welcome to this video, and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel and this amazing video. This video is going to be really interesting and you people will need to pay a lot of attention to learn. Okay, so I must recommend you that you should put in time in this. In this video, I will be teaching you how you can create a blog on Blogger. So first of all, I would like to tell you some benefits of this. The first benefit is that you people don't need to buy domain, hosting, SSL, and all these things. So this will not cost you anything. This is totally free and this do not require any payment. Moreover, this is good. This is really helpful. So first of all, let's open Blogger. Here it is. You can click here and open Blogger. So here we are on Blogger and this is open or almost done. So now we can go and make a new blog here. Okay, so come here, let's make a new blog, and here you need to provide the name, the title of your blog. So we will go with new blog and something like that. Okay, let me just type in a new blog. So let's click on next, and now we need to make a URL for this. We will write new blog and any number because it might not made already before. Okay, so put a number that's recommended. So this is done, and now we have successfully created a new blog. This was so simple. The next steps are somehow difficult, so that they will take you time to understand, but you need to copy me as I do. Okay, so we have opened up settings, and the first thing is title that we have already given, new blog, and now the description. Here you will need to provide a detailed description of your blog that it's about. It's maybe about some food or anything. You can write up to 500 alphabets. Okay, so it's already written 500, you can see here. Okay, so I'm just typing in new blog is information and motivation related. New blog is information and motivation related posts uploaded. So you can write anything, there's nothing big in this. Okay, so but that should be related to your blog. Okay, that should be related to your niche that you have already chosen. So here comes the language. There may be any other language, but English is universal language, so I must recommend you should write in English. And this is for if there is any adult content, you need to tick mark this if there is. And the next thing is Google Analytics property ID. So here you will provide that ID, but no need for now. This is very lengthy topic, this Google Analytics. I will make a new video on this, complete details, because I don't want this video to be very lengthy. So I will create a video on this. And this is favicon, and here you can upload a favicon. Okay, so here also I will make a video. I will make a separate video on this because this is also a lengthy topic. I will let you know how you can create it. Okay, and this is blog address and custom domain. If there is any custom domain, do write here. And this blog address is same that we wrote in URL, and this is HTTPS redirect. So this is tick is marked. This tick is marked. This is basically how you handle your domain and all these things. Okay, the next thing is blog admins and authors, and next is posts shown on main page. This is 7. So here the posts which are shown, that limit is 7. You can also change it. You can increase or decrease. That's up to you. There is nothing big in this. Okay, so next comment section, that what's the location, who can comment. This is also a big question. You can set it. I recommend you should put it on users with Google accounts. It is secure. It saves you from robots and spam accounts. And the next settings are, these are some invites. Actually, you can invite people to comment, like your content. So here it is formatting. You can select your time zone. In whichever country you are, you can select your time zone. That will help you in making your page better. So let me just go with my country. Here it is, India. I will go with this time zone because I'm situated in India, so I will go with this for now. You can go with your country, and let's save it. And this is done. This date header format, date you can give theirs, and meta tags. These are really important. Okay, these help people find your blog, so you can always turn it on. This is some SEO related thing. This will get you public. This will get you viewers. Okay, so describe your tags here. Okay, whatever your blog is related to, describe. This is also a very big topic, so I will try my best to make a separate video on this. This is errors and redirect, that custom 404 error. So leave it for now, and let's come in crawlers and indexing. Okay, so we need to put some settings in here. So I recommend you that you should turn on both of these. Okay, so let's turn on them. And now we have to make some settings. Follow me as I do all. And now here NodeDP, and in achieve and search, let's go with non-index, NodeDP, and save. Post and page, go for all, and NodeDP, and also save this. And here comes the Google Search Console. So this helps people to get to you. Okay, this is monetization, and this enable custom ads. This is for ads, so you can leave it for now. Okay, so this is for importing content. If there are a lot of content on your blog, so you can remove and import content, and backup also. You can create a backup here if you want. Okay, so next thing is, here is URL related, so you can make a footer here, post feed footer, and this is for your profile, user profile. If you want, you can add here. Okay, so now come the theme. So themes are opened, so you can choose theme of your blog. If it is related to food, you can choose a food theme or anything like that. And now comes the layouts. And in layouts, there is only drag and drop. You can create your layout, how your post will be shown. So that's easy, that's not difficult. Okay, and these all things you can set, your pages, your earnings. You can also attach AdSense, as I already told you. So you can also earn through this. So try your best to make a best blog page that you want. Okay, so this was all for now. If you like the video, please share with your friends and family. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thank you very much for watching this video.